Hello everyone, another video here from the Missouri Ozarks, and I've been looking for a way to cut the smaller dimensional wood into firewood. I'm using my 10-inch miter saw, and it's really limited to how big you can cut. So I thought I'd find a blade for my skill saw cutoff wheel, and the only 14-inch blades that I could find were for low RPM, 1500, for cutting metal. But I did happen to find one right here, and it's rated at 3800 RPM, which is the same rating as the saw, 14-inch for wood. So I'm going to put this on here and give it a try, see what we can do. Maybe cut some bigger diameter material. I'm going to get this blade on here and I'll be right back. All right, let's see what this thing will do. Cut at least 5 1/4. That's pretty decent. All I need is a roller bed on this thing. That is some really nice. I'm gonna have to investigate some of this a little further later. But that's it. It works good. So now I'll be able to take that on my truck, go out when I'm collecting logs, and I can cut up the branches right on site. Just need a generator. Awesome. So that's good. I got this blade off of Amazon. It's a 14-inch wood cutting blade for the chop saw. So works really well. I cut my wood to about 18 inches, which, yeah, it's about 18 inches. Good for our wood stove and a lot of other wood stoves around. So that's it for this video. Working good, and now I can move on to my next project. So like if you like, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll talk soon.